Tonight, I'm going to make a pesto chicken with broccoli and some bacon, and I'll take you through it. Oil a pan with olive oil. We'll add the broccoli. Salt and pepper. You can always add more virgin olive oil. Here we have 3 pieces of extra thick bacon cooked. We'll go in with the broccoli in just a moment. Broccoli chopped up, add it to the broccoli. We'll stir that up. I always lightly salt the water as I go to cook the pasta. 4 cheese ravioli from Butani. And we'll cook that. It won't take very long, about 5 minutes. Next, I've chopped up some of the grilled classic chicken strips from Pasta Farms. That'll go in with the broccoli, like that. We'll use the Butoni pesto with basil. This is reduced fat. I haven't used that before. We'll see. We've added the pesto. It says reduced fat, but since all that is in there is extra virgin olive oil on top of the basil, all you can do is just add more virgin oil if you want. I also add water. It always makes it easier to mix. About a ½ cup. It is mixed up, and you want to do this at the very last moment because this stuff separates very quickly if it's under heat for much time at all. Here we have it served along with a Sierra Nevada Pale Ale. Some red pepper is needed. This is garlic bread, and she made a little veggie tray to go with it. There you go.